Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 11. Of the strong, I am the strength devoid of desire and attachment. And in all beings, I am the desire unopposed to dharma, O best among the Bharatas.
Chapter 7, Shloka 11. Balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam dharma viruddho bhuteshu.
Chapter 7, Shloka 11. To give an insight into the relationship between gross perceivable matter and subtle imperceptible spirit, several examples were given. Now some more examples are given for the individuals with most subtle intellects who can reflect upon philosophical concepts. Lord says that among the strong, He is the strength in the strong, devoid of desire and attachment. Generally, individuals and communities express their strength to fulfill a desire or where there is strong attachment. Without these two inner urges, the latent strength is not seen to come out. Desire is for something which is absent, and attachment is for something one already has. This is Lord's special strength, different from the strength of the individuals and communities. To the above strength, Lord further adds that He is the desire unopposed to dharma. Dharma, as the law of being, is the essential factor in man. So all actions, thoughts, and ideas entertained by body, mind, and the intellect, which are not opposed to His divine nature, are dharma. They enhance a person's evolvement to unite with the self. The opposite can then be taken to be adharma. This subtle power with which one can overcome his weakness and move ahead toward the goal of self-perfection is indicated here by Lord Krishna. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.